How to delete your Rockstar Social Club account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can delete your Rockstar Social Club account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To delete or permanently remove your Rockstar Social Club account, it's very simple. Come to socialclub.rockstargames.com. I will also make sure to drop a link down in the description box below. Make sure that you are also logged into your account. Then just click the profile icon from the top right, then just go to help, then go to support. When you go to the support section, of course, we are trying to delete our social club account, right? So in the what do you need help with section, select the option known as social club. Once we select social club, what do you need help with? Select social club account. Once you select social club account, under it you can see this option called delete account and information. Make sure to click on delete account and information. Right here you'll be able to see all of these details as you use the following form to request the deletion of your account. So all you have to do is first agree to this checkbox over here. Do not forget this checkbox. Then click on submit web ticket. Once you click on submit web ticket, in the next specific page you'll be able to ask to fill up a form, and in this form you simply have to let them know the reasons as to why you're trying to delete your account and what you can do here as well. So just go ahead and then type in I want to delete my social club account completely, so you can do that, and then just click on reply option, and then after a couple of days or within working hours, social club will completely delete your account and wipe out your entire data from the system. This way you'll be able to permanently delete your social club account. You have to submit a web ticket to do so. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.